This video is to provide you with the purpose and benefit of a video consultation, also known as a video demo. Now, here's the key thing. A hair professional will be able to see your hair, see every part from the front, the sides, the top, the back, and then be able to evaluate your hair and give you multiple options. Now, this is key. Due to the invention of the microstrand, which InvisaBlend offers, you will be able to have many options. It is not like any type of hair extension. It's not like any type of topper or any type of method of adding hair. Due to the invention of the microstrand, you will be able to have multiple options, and that means multiple price options too. So, as an example, even if you're thin, let's say on the whole top, we'll be able to fill in a small percentage of the whole top, a 50% of the whole top. We'll be able to fill in just the front or just the back or any area. No matter how thin you are, no matter where you're thin, you will be able to see the options of filling in little areas or medium-sized areas or full areas. Because of the invention of the microstrand, this enables us to blend hair in as if your hair is just starting to grow in, or as if it just grew in one area. Filling in any area, no matter if it's 50% of your thinning area or 20% of your thinning area, either of those two or any percentage will still look perfectly natural because of what's called the blending factor. Because the microstrand is created with adding one human hair at a time. When you add one human hair at a time onto the microstrand and it blends between your own hair, it disappears and fades into your hair as if your hair just started to grow in fuller. Now, you're also going to find out how long it stays there, meaning when you first apply this, it usually stays on for a full month through any activity. Showering, shampooing, swimming, anything like that. It's part of you, which is very important because most people want to wake up, like me. I wake up, it's my hair. I jump in the water, it's my hair. Shampoo, it's my hair. So it's important for it to be part of you. And because of the microstrand invention, it allows your hair to stay safe and healthy. It allows you to have full access to your entire scalp. So it is key to keep your own existing hair healthy and your own scalp healthy also. And you're going to find this out in more detail through a video consultation. And you're going to learn about how to apply it and how it stays on, all right? And there's different ways of applying it. So you're gonna find out the details. So it's very important for you to follow through and get this video consultation. It doesn't cost anything. It's worth your while to at least see these details and specific details about your specific hair situation. So I hope that was a great help, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.